Talking about some strength, boy. Imagine how strong this ant is. He brought it all the way from top of the tree all the way down. Now he pulling it up. Man, if nature's not amazing, what nature is? Just manhandling that bug like it ain't nothing. You realize how much strength that takes? It's like picking up a cow and just toting it. Just toting it. Can you imagine picking up a cow and then yet picking up that cow with your mouth and just toting it? Up a tree and down a tree like it ain't nothing. Behold nature. All I gotta say is wow. Listen, what you just saw is not a myth. The average ant of that size, which is a large size ant, it weighs about 5 to 7 milligrams. 5 to 7 now. But a stink bug, which it was carrying up and down this oak tree, averaged about 111 to 130 milligrams. That one, I'm gonna say low end, just say 111. That's 22 times the size of its own body. Imagine whatever your weight is, multiply it times 22 times, and then think about picking it up and then pick it up in your mouth and carry it up and down a tree and around a tree. I watched this ant go from probably about 20 feet high all the way down to probably about 6 feet, and it moved around. It didn't just come straight down, but it maintained its grip into the tree. Wow. I mean, I couldn't imagine the strength that it takes to do that. But it's right here in nature. Just take the time to just look at it, observe. And you understand that man is not that amazing when you really look at it. We don't have a lot of hair. We're weak compared to a lot of animals. But yet, we're in charge of maintaining this thing we call life on this earth. Wow. All I'm just saying is tap into your strength and observe nature and behold the beauty and the power of nature. Y'all be blessed.